In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one and time control in Canva. We'll start simple, then move into precise timing so your text appears exactly when you want it to. Begin by opening your design in Canva. Click into your canvas and add your text in a single text box. Type your full line or paragraph here so you can see everything in one place to start. With the text box selected, look at the top toolbar and choose Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel. Scroll to the text animation section and pick an effect such as typewriter or wipe. Typewriter gives that classic one character at time reveal, perfect for captions and titles. Wipe creates a smooth sweep across your text for a clean modern look. After choosing the effect, customize it. Under Style, decide whether the animation happens by letter, by word, or by line. Choosing letter creates a more dramatic, detailed reveal, while word or line can feel faster and more readable for longer text. Next, set the direction to control where the animation comes from, like left to right, which usually matches how people read. If you have Canva Pro, use the time control slider to fine-tune the speed drag to slow it down for emphasis or speed it up for snappier pacing. For a clean professional finish, set the animation to only on enter so the effect plays when the text appears, and then stays steady without an exit animation. For full control, especially in video projects, separate each line or phrase into its own text box. This makes it easy to time each piece independently. Keep each text box positioned exactly where you want it on the canvas. Click one of the text boxes. Then open the timing controls by selecting the three dots in the mini toolbar or right-clicking and choosing Show Timing. A timeline appears below the canvas with a track for each text box. Drag the handles on a track to set when that text starts appearing and how long it stays visible. Stagger the tracks so each line arrives in sequence, matching your voiceover or music. If the order isn't right, simply drag and drop the text elements on the timeline to place them from first to last. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in pacing and readability. That's it. Thanks for watching.